Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another quick tip to know whether how you can stop Edge browser from filling your personal information like your signing in credentials, payment details, and or delivery addresses, etc. Like here you can see, when I try to log into my Quora account, it shows my personal information, which I don't want Edge browser to show it at all. So to stop it from showing my personal information, click on this ellipsis icon and go to settings. Here under profiles, go to personal information. Then go to settings. And here you can change all the settings that you don't want Edge browser automatically fill on websites. Like, I certainly don't want Edge browser to fill my payment information at all. So turn off this button and this one too. And for my personal information, I certainly don't want it to not only show but also fill my personal information on different websites like my phone number, email addresses, or delivery addresses. So just toggle this button or turn off this button. And then when you go back to the Quora page to log into your account, it won't show the information at all. And this is how you can stop Edge browser for autofilling your personal information on websites. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.